Hey, what's up, everybody? Let's learn something fun in Photoshop, and that's going to be using generative AI to fill in and change different parts of our image. It works really great in some cases and okay in others, but it is still really fun to do. So let's jump on in and learn something new. As you can see, we have this beautiful photo of this nice country drive in the woods, and let's say we want to make it a little more rustic by adding it in a dirt road instead of a paved road. To do that, we can easily just go over here to this nice selection tool, click that rectangular marquee, and we're going to grab and draw a square around the entire road like so. We then want to go click this generative fill button, and we want to type in what we want. I'm going to say change to dirt road. We click that OK button. It's now going to generate 3 different samples that we can try to choose from. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're bad, sometimes they're pretty funny, but it's overall really fun to use. This one's a pretty cool one. It's a little janky near the end there, so let's take a look at some other ones. That one's all right. And that one looks really good. That one actually looks pretty realistic as a dirt road. It even added like a little turn off into the hill over there. And we can do lots of fun things with this. We could highlight this and add flowers. We can try to change the foliage. I haven't tried this one, so let's do this one together. Let's say add some flowers to the woods. And let's see what that does. Usually you need to be able to adjust, change your query about, change your selections, and you can have a lot of fun by doing that. Again, sometimes it's great, sometimes it's okay. This one's, it looks good. It's just they look a little unrealistic. That one may be a little bit better than the other ones. But as you can see, we've added a dirt road, added some flowers on the right side over here. We could add potentially some animals. Let's see if we can highlight a selection like this and say, add an animal. Now, living creatures sometimes don't work the best, but you can try it out and see. I've tried this before where it creates some really funny deer or some really funny raccoons or something like that. Oh, there we go. We have ourselves a nice little deer down there. And with that, of course, it creates a layer over here. So if you need to adjust it or change it around or make it try to fit in a little bit better, you can do just that by doing things like this. So now we can select back into the original. We can look at our final product. We started off with a dirt road, or started off with a beautiful picture like this, and through some generative AI, we have created a brand new, very fun picture. So that is how you use the generative AI in Photoshop. Thanks everyone for joining me. If you have any questions or comments, throw them in the comment section below. Hit that subscribe button to see more videos on all the Adobe products. And if you enjoyed this original stock footage, the stock photo that looked like this, check out Envato Elements. It's a great subscription-based service where you can pay a monthly fee and you get an unlimited amount of stock photos and videos and templates. It's a great service. Check out the link below. Thanks everyone, and until next time, see ya.